In this lesson, you'll create your own custom interface and use it to group similar classes together. To begin, open the StableBase project from your Sample Files folder. You're now going to add a new interface named iColoredGridView. To do this, right-click StableBase in the Solution Explorer and click Add, New Item. The Add New Item dialog appears. Now click Code in the left-hand pane, click Interface in the central pane, and in the name box, type iColoredGridView.cs. The ASP.NET naming convention always precedes an interface's name with a capital I. Now click Add. Your new interface is created and opened. You're now going to add an Apply Formatting method to the interface. Add the following code to your new interface, in between the curly brackets. Void apply formatting. This interface now requires a method named Apply Formatting. Any class that implements the iColoredGridView interface must have an Apply Formatting method. Let's now implement this interface in the redGridView class. Open redGridView.cs. Now change the code that defines the class to public class redGridView : extended gridview, iColoredGridView. Since the redGridView class already contains an Apply Formatting method, this will compile without any errors. Now you're going to create a blueGridView class, which extends the GridView class and implements the iColoredGridView interface. First, create a new class named blueGridView.cs. Now add a using line for system.web.ui.webcontrols and add the code to extend the GridView class and implement the iColoredGridView interface. So that's :GridView, iColoredGridView. Now attempt to build the project. An error appears because the blueGridView class doesn't contain the Apply Formatting method that is required by the iColoredGridView interface. Add an Apply Formatting method to the class using the following code. Public void apply formatting for each GridView row in base.rows row.backcolor equals system.drawing.color.blue. Now attempt to build the project again. This time, the project compiles without any errors. Your redGridView and blueGridView classes both implement the iColoredGridView interface. Because both classes implement the iColoredGridView interface, both redGridView and blueGridView objects could be converted into iColoredGridView objects, using the techniques you learned in Lesson 4.12. Close Visual Studio now. And you've now completed Lesson 4:16. Create an interface.